Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing well and may have revised the previously learned topics. So now, our today's topic is physical maps. 1. Land representation. Physical maps show land in green, yellow, or brown. They depict landforms such as plains, mountains, and plateaus. 2. Height measurement. Heights are measured from sea level, which is uniform worldwide. Different shades of colors indicate variations in elevation. Contour line. 1. Contours join places of equal heights. 2. Their shapes vary based on landforms. 3. Distance between contours indicates terrain slope. Times gentle slope, contours far apart. Times steep slope, contours close together. Uses of maps. 1. Help understand terrain features like mountains and valleys. 2. Essential for infrastructure projects like roads and dams. 3. Aid in estimating land submersion for dam construction. History of maps. Sumerians, 4,000 years ago. 1. Earliest maps were imprinted on clay tablets. 2. Used by temples to manage land income. Babylonians, 2,600 years ago. 1. Created early, world maps, imagining Earth as a round disk. 2. Included cities, rivers, and mountains with Babylon at the center. 3. Outer circle represented the Bitter River, ocean. Greek geographers. 1. Scholars like Anaximander and Herodotus recreated world maps. 2. Divided the world into 3 continents, Europe, Asia, and Libya, Africa. 3. Introduced latitude and longitude for accuracy. Projection in maps. 1. Curvature of the Earth cannot be depicted on flat maps without distortion. 2. Mercator's projection preserves direction and shape but distorts size. Colonization, exploration, and map-making. 1. European powers created maps for trade, colonization, and military use. 2. British India established the Survey of India. Times James Rennell, early survey maps. Times William Lambton and George Everest, measured metric ton Everest. 3. Maps were vital during world wars for strategy and navigation. 4. Modern maps leverage satellite imagery. Types of maps, based on purpose. 1. Political maps, show boundaries of villages, states, and countries. 2. Physical maps, depict natural features like mountains and rivers. 3. Thematic maps, represent data like population, rainfall, or land use. Based on scale. 1. Large-scale maps, detailed small areas, example cadastral maps. 2. Small-scale maps, cover large areas like continents or countries. Atlas. 1. A collection of maps organized by themes or regions. 2. Symbols and colors simplify complex data representation. Telangana, our state. 1. Formed on 2 June 2014 as India's 29th state. 2. Comprises 33 districts. Hyderabad is the capital. 3. Key rivers, Godavari, Krishna, Tungabhadra, Musi. 4. Major crops, paddy, jowar, madge, sugarcane. 5. Forest-rich districts include Adilabad, Mancherial, and Nirmal. Village, Mandal, and district. Times village. 1. Boundaries define a village's extent. 2. Directions and corners help locate roads, schools, and lakes. Times mandal. 1. Group of villages forming an administrative unit. 2. Houses offices like Tehsildar, agriculture, health centers, and police stations. District. 1. Comprises multiple mandals. 2. District headquarters host collectorates, hospitals, and public offices. Uses of maps in modern times. 1. Essential for trade, navigation, and planning infrastructure. To help businesses plan operations, example, setting up telecom towers. 3. Thematic maps assist in analyzing terrain, resources, and population. Thanks for watching.